Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to Novation. I'm Shantanu and I welcome you all to an all new video of our books and authors series जिसमें हम लोग कई सारे important MCQs डिस्कस करेंगे और साथ ही साथ उन सभी नई बुक्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके एग्जाम्स के लिए। ऑलराइट फ्रेंड्स, तो अगर आपने इसका पिछला वीडियो नहीं देखा है सो प्लीज़ उसको भी आप देखिए। इट्स लिंक द प्लेलिस्ट लिंक विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन सेक्शन एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द टॉप राइट कॉर्नर ऑफ योर स्क्रीन। ओके, सो आई विल ऑल्सो गिव असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन एट द एंड, सो आप प्लीज़ उसको भी अटेम्प्ट कीजिएगा इन कॉमेंट सेक्शन। एज ऑलवेज यू कैन contact me on any of these social media platform if you require any help. I'll try to help you. Also, please visit novation.in. Here you can get the free PDFs of the lectures which I post here, and also you can do practice by the various online quizzes uploaded on the website. And also, if you like the content of Novation, I will request you that please go ahead and help Novation, support Novation through donations. Alright friends, so with that, I'll start today's session. The first question for today: name the author of Gazing Eastwards of Buddhist Monks and Revolutionaries in China, 1957. Friends, here the correct answer is C, Romila Thapar. So she is a famous historian, and let's see the point to note. So Gazing Eastward, this book of Romila Thapar is about her first visit to China in 1957, and she went there as a research assistant to the Sri Lankan art historian Anil De Silva, and then she talks about all the Buddhist sites she visited there. Next, name the author of the population myth Islam, Family Planning and Politics in India. Friends, here the correct answer is C, S.Y. Qureshi. Let's see the PTN. So this book actually takes facts from Quran and the Hadith and shows that Islam is as a religion might have been the first in the world to actually advocate smaller families and not larger families. Okay, and which is why several Islamic nations today have population policies in place. Okay, so that's the main motive of the book. Next, which of the following Indian film directors has authored the book Unscripted Conversations on Life and Cinema? Friends, here the correct answer is D, Vidhu Vinod Chopra. So let's see the PTN. So in his biography, Vidhu Vinod Chopra speaks to his long-time collaborator and scriptwriter Abhijat Joshi, and he talks about his exceptional journey in filmmaking and about his personal life. Next, who among the following has authored the book The Little Book of Encouragement? This is an important one. Here the correct answer is A, Dalai Lama. So let's see the PTN. So this book contains around 130 quotations and they are about how to deal with new realities of this pandemic or panic-stricken world, and how to combat extremism, rising polarity and climate change through the lens of Dalai Lama. Next, who among the following has authored the book The Commonwealth of Cricket? Friends, here the correct answer is A, Ramchandra Guha. So Ramchandra Guha इस book में बात करते हैं how cricket has actually evolved in India across all the levels, for example school, college, club, state as well as country. So cricket के बारे में historical facts or how it has evolved is all in this book. Name the politician who released the book Manohar Parrikar Off the Record. Friends, here the correct answer is B, Pramod Sawant, and I'm sure आपको पता होगा Pramod Sawant is the CM of Goa. So this book is launched by Mr. Pramod Sawant, but it has been written by senior journalist Vaman Subbu Prabhu, and it is on the basis of the collections of memories of Mr. Prabhu, who happened to be with late Mr. Parrikar during the journey of his life. So Mr. Parrikar, Manohar Parrikar, was the former Defense Minister of India, and we lost him in 2019, if I'm not wrong, due to the cancer disease. Next, who among the following Bollywood actors is the author of the book Flying Blind, India's Quest for Global Leadership? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Mohammad Zishan, and so he gives his opinion on how one coherent strategy could be made for India so that its relationship with the outside world can be improved through travels and debates across continents. And Zishan's lays down the vision on how India can champion the cause of global good and how it can become the we say today we talk about Jagat Guru. Okay, so how India can become the Jagat Guru. Moving forward, name the famous personality who wrote the book COVID-19 सभ्यता का संकट और समाधान. So friends, here the correct answer is Kailash Satyarthi, the Nobel laureate. So his new book talks about how the pandemic has impacted the common way of living, and he also suggests solutions on the ongoing crisis triggered by the pandemic. Next, we have former Maharashtra CM, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis. He recently released a book written by Madhav Bhandari. What is the name of this book? Friends, here the correct answer is A, Ayodhya. So इस बुक में क्या है देखते हैं. So the book brings together various references that are related to Ayodhya town of Uttar Pradesh and how invaders had destroyed the Ram temple or the Ram Janmabhoomi. We'll move forward. Famous Indian author Amish Tripathi has recently released his second non-fiction book named, friends, here the correct answer is D, Dharma. So let's see the PTN. So in this book, Dharma, Decoding the Epics for a Meaningful Life, it offers a practical and philosophical lessons from ancient Hindu epics. So epics are the books like Mahabharata or Ramayana. These are all epics. And it is co-authored by Amish's sister Bhavna Roy. So उनकी sister ने भी इसमें co-author किया है. Next, I Am No Masiha is a autobiography of. So this is an easy question. हमने इसको discuss किया है. So that's a revision question. So here the correct answer is A, Sonu Sood. अब इस book में क्या है? So it will feature the stories Sonu heard and his interaction with the migrants and others. So we know he helped the migrant laborers a lot. So his interactions will be there in this book, and he will also share the experiences which really impacted his life and gave him another purpose to his life. Next, name the famous Bollywood actor who recently authored the book Your Best Day Is Today. Friends, here the correct answer is C, Anupam Kher. So इन्होंने book लिखी है और इसमें it contains all the experiences, lessons and positive takeaways that will help us deal with the dark times of our life. So like you can say it is a very self-help kind of a book. Okay. Next, world's first sign tune book titled Bye Bye Corona was written by who among the following? So friends, here the correct answer is A, Dr. Pradeep Srivastava. अब sign tune book क्या होती है दोस्तों? So such books contain various scientific facts and scientific knowledge by the help of cartoons. So cartoon के द्वारा कोई scientific चीज़ अगर समझाते हैं, so then it becomes a sign tune book. So Dr. Pradeep Srivastava is a former senior principal scientist at Central Drug Research Institute of Lucknow, and this book contains comprehensive information on the novel coronavirus pandemic, its symptom and prevention through precautions in the form of sign tunes. Okay. Next, name the famous politician who penned the book The Battle of Belonging. Friends, here the correct answer is D, Mr. Shashi Tharoor. So this book explores various historical and contemporary ideas of nationalism, patriotism, liberalism, democracy and humanism, which actually, according to Mr. Tharoor, were emerged in the West or the Western countries in the 18th and 19th century, and they quickly swept all across the world. Okay. Next, name the author of the book The Khalistan Conspiracy. Friends, this is an important question. Here the correct answer is B, G.B.S. Sindhu. Now Mr. G.B.S. Sindhu is a former raw intelligence officer, research and analysis wing officer. He writes how pro-Khalistani sentiments and Sikh extremism were deliberately encouraged. So according to him, or his views are that this movement was deliberately encouraged and it was crushed with a heavy hand to draw political mileage. तो political mileage gain करने के लिए इसे crush भी कर दिया गया था. Next, who recently launched the book Bapu the Unforgettable at a virtual event? Friends, here the correct answer is B, Manish Sisodia. So he is the deputy CM of Delhi. The book Bapu the Unforgettable will make readers think and provide a glimpse of the ideology and philosophies of Mahatma Gandhi. So उनके ideals, उनकी philosophy, उनकी thinking के बारे में ही ये book लिखी गई है. Next, name the famous Indian chef. Okay, so who recently authored the book titled Kitchens of Gratitude? So friends, here the correct answer is D, Vikas Khanna. Now this book is based on his initiative called Feed India Initiative. Now this initiative actually works to feed the people who are really underprivileged and cannot actually get 2 square meal of food every day. Okay, so Feed India mission is one of the largest food drives in the world, and he writes about that in this book. Next, Name the author of the book titled Azadi, Freedom, Fascism and Fiction. Friends, here the correct answer is B. Arundhati Roy. इन्होंने ये book लिखी है. And so according to this book and views of Arundhati Roy, these are the collections of her speeches describing her views that India has recently descended into totalitarianism. Okay, so according to her, our government is totalitarian. We'll move forward. Gauri Khan, the wife of Shah Rukh Khan, has released her debut book titled, friends, here the correct answer is My Life in Design. So friends, I hope you know that Gauri Khan is a interior designer by her profession. So she has wrote this book, My Life in Design, and it will feature unseen pictures of her interior design projects, family and residence. She also talks about her design philosophy and style. Next, who among the following religious leaders or heads has written the book Let Us Dream? Friends, here the correct answer is Pope Francis. And let's see what this book is all about. So it explores the global pandemic or the coronavirus crisis and how it can teach us to handle the upheavals of any kind in our lives and the world at a large. Okay. Next, Prime Minister Modi recently released a book on the life and ideals of Sri Guru Nanak Dev. What is the name of the author of the book? Friends, here the correct answer is B. Kirpal Singh. Okay. Now friends, it is the time for your assignments. आप मुझे इन चारों बुक्स के ऑथर का नाम जरूर बताइएगा. फर्स्ट इज राइट अंडर आवर नोज, India's 71-year test, The Journey of Triumph in Australia. O Mizoram, Indian icon, a cult called Royal Enfield. So इन चारों का आंसर आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर बताइएगा. Okay. So friends, with that we come to an end to this exciting video. I hope the video was helpful and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. If the video has helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to Novation for more such important videos on static GK, current affairs, business awareness, verbal ability, etc. And friends, I will again request you that please visit novation.in and please support us by going to the donate button. So with that friends, I'll close today's session. I'll meet you again next time. Until then, bye bye and please take care.